to Cafe Di Lona's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I bake my red snapper fillet. So here is our ingredients that we prepared. First, our red snapper fillet. It's already rinsed it off. And then we're gonna use also sliced lemon, fresh chopped parsley, and we're gonna use also a pressed garlic, breadcrumbs, plain breadcrumbs, and then we're also gonna use a oil spray, 3 tablespoons of butter. We are also gonna use a olive oil, and then 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and then we are also gonna need to use a baking dish covered with aluminum foil. And let's start it. So let's just turn on our stove to high heat. So while we are preparing our breadcrumbs to put the stuff that we could put in our fish fillet, we are going to turn on or preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Alright, so we're gonna add the olive oil. Let's just turn it all the way to medium heat. And now we're gonna put also our butter. We are gonna start putting our pressed garlic. So now that our pressed garlic starting light brown, we're gonna start adding our breadcrumbs plus our red pepper flakes. Smells very nice. Our fresh chopped parsley. Okay, let's just mix it all together. Oops, we're gonna turn down a little bit more low our stove. It smells very nice. And then we're gonna add some black pepper. And then we're gonna add some salt. Alright. You see the color? It's very pretty. Okay. So these breadcrumbs, it's almost done. We are going to prepare our, let me just turn off the stove so it won't get burnt. So now I'm going to prepare our fish fillet. Okay, I'm gonna put this here so it won't get burnt. Anyway, so alright, so here is what we're gonna do for our fish fillet. First, we are going to spray. We're gonna use this cooking spray so they won't get thick. Okay? And then we are going to season our fish fillet. First, the salt, black pepper, and then salt again on the side. Okay? And then we're going to rub some olive oil on top like that. So when we bake it, it won't get dry. Okay. And then we are going to transfer here in our baking dish. Okay. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put our breadcrumbs to our fish fillet just to make sure it got all covered. Right. And the last thing we're gonna put is our sliced lemon. It smells very nice. It smells very delicious. Alright. So now we're gonna add our sliced lemon. Okay. And then, so now it's ready. We are going to bake it for about like 15 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, as I said. So here is my red snapper fillet ready to pop in the oven. We're just like waiting to make sure that the oven is ready. I'll let you know, guys, when it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.